say you had to me the same like see I wish boy heart yeah but I wish that I could say this is the last time that I would make a mistake, but it won't be. I know that'll disappoint people more and more.